Is there ever a haul that's too big? I don't think so. Let's go. Hello, OFT family. We got a haul for you. This is Super Bowl edition. Woo-woo. So first, we had to go to 3 stores today. But anyway, so the one store is a local store. I just got some chippies that we like. And then I got some corned beef, boar's head corned beef, and got 2 pounds of that and a pound of Swiss cheese and some chippies. That total was $53.52. And then next we have Wally World. So Wally World is where I did a lot of damage. So first we have a chuck roast. This is for birria tacos. We got chicken wings, 3 bags of these for the big game on Sunday. Then we got, well, this is another bag of chicken wings. We're good. We got 3 Pebbles, big giant, big ass box for Rice Krispie treats. Marshmallows to go with said Rice Krispie treats. We got more panko, needed it for my pantry. We got chicken, canned chicken for buffalo chicken dip. We got cheddar bay biscuits. This is for my sausage balls. Next we have strawberry cake mix. I'm gonna do something fun with these. I'm in a cookie mood. And then I was doing my butter swim biscuits and somebody had said the strawberry cheesecake version of the Martha White. Got these for my pantry too, so we can make those. Then we got some El Pastor taco seasoning for our taco nights. Another mild taco. And then we got some sauces for the big gang. I just got a variety. So I got mango habanero, and I got buttery buffalo. And what else we got? We got more chippies, sour cream and onion chippies. We got corn tortillas for our birria tacos. We got the new flavor of Poppy, the Shirley Temple. I'm excited to try those. Got 3 of those. We got some cilantro for birria tacos. We got just plain Greek yogurt. I'm gonna turn some of the buffalo chicken dip into a Hot Pocket with flour and Greek yogurt. So that should be yummy. And I actually found Chipotle sauce for my birria tacos, so that is a good thing. Got more butter, cream cheese. We got doggy stuff. My doggy loves his skeets and his favorite cookies. Got those for the cookie baker. And we're almost done with this haul, folks. We got sauerkraut for our Reubens. We got salsa for our birria tacos and anybody else that wants to have some salsa and chips. And then we got 2 more sauces. We got the Asian Zing and we got the garlic parmesan. And that's another thing of wings. That's all, folks. So Walmart's total was $190.70. Next up